Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Are you doing all right? I'm doing rather well. It's Friday finally, and I'm ready to relax and chill and everything. This video is gonna be about an app that I've been using for about a month or so now. It's an Android app, sadly. It's not available on iPhone just yet, or it might be, I don't know. I'm using it on my Android. It's an app where you sign up and you receive text messages from various companies and stuff, random text messages, and every time you receive an SMS, you get paid. You just need to have data or Wi-Fi and leave the app running in the background, and you can receive up to 6 or 10 messages a day. And for each text message you receive, you get an amount of money in your account. And once you reach €2, you are able to cash out to your PayPal. I didn't make a video sooner because I wanted to test out the app and see that it's working. And today I reached finally the €2, and I finally cashed out to PayPal. So it's working. And all you need to do is be on the internet. Be on the internet, have your phone running with internet in the background, have the app running on the background, just receive the messages. You don't have to respond, you don't get charged, you just receive them. And every time you receive a text message, you get some balance on your account, and you can cash out as soon as you reach €2. I'll leave the link to the app below, and go sign up, go download it, and start earning. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more videos.